Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I just woke up just a little while ago. Well, I was up, I had some water, I had my coffee, blah, blah, blah. I really wanted to wait a little bit and wake up a little bit more before I filmed this video, but I literally cannot wait any longer. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the January Boxycharm box. I actually got this 2 days ago, but my mother-in-law was here and I didn't want to do a lot of filming while she was here, so I decided to wait. If you hear my birds screaming in the background, there's really not much I can do, so you might just have to hear them. I know it's a little annoying, but you can't really shut birds up. Plus, it's the morning time, they just woke up and they're happy. So I always like to be surprised when I open my Boxycharm box, and I'm going to be surprised today, but the thing is, I've seen so many spoilers on Instagram. I was kind of bummed. I don't usually like to see spoilers, but I've seen a lot of people posting their Boxycharm, so I kind of have an idea what might be in here, but I'm not sure. I will say this though, there is something I want to be in here, and then there is something I kind of hope isn't. So hopefully it works out in my favor. We'll see. Are you ready? All right. So this is the Boxycharm Breaking the Ice. That is the theme for January. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this first. Is this what I'm... All right, hold up, y'all. Oh, it's really dark. This is what I was hoping I got. I seen people were getting the Too Faced Diamond. This one's dark. Is that gonna even look right on me? I'm so pale. But I was hoping that I would get the Too Faced Diamond highlighter. I always see the, I really wanted the pink packaging, but it's okay. I always see the Too Faced Diamond highlighter in Ulta, and every time I see it, I'm like, I want that. So I seen that it was going to be in the Boxycharm, and here it is. I got it. I'm happy. Okay, Too Faced Diamond Light. One-of-a-kind highlighter infused with real crushed diamond powder. Girl. All right, let's go ahead and look at this. So this is Canary Diamond. It says, it's your time to shine. My God, I hope those birds are not really that loud in the camera. You guys will hate me. Any bird lovers out there? Okay. So here's the little packaging. It's yellow. And then you open it and it's a diamond ring. Okay, we got the Too Faced logo up here, and then this. All right, what's weird is on my camera with the lighting, it's showing like, well, I can't really see, but to me in my viewfinder, it's pink. But here in person, it's super, super, super gold. Oh, there it is. There it is, there's the gold. Say hello to the gold. Ooh, 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 that's a lot of glitter. That's a lot of glitter. I don't like glitter. We'll see how this works. I'm happy I got it. It's one of the things I wanted. So, that's a lot of glitter though. I guess it makes a good highlighter, so we'll see. I'm moving the camera over here. Maybe you won't be able to hear the birds as bad. It probably won't even make a difference. You'll probably still hear them. But anyways, let's move on with this unboxing. Next up, we got the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil. Oh, that should be interesting. Wait, so is this a mascara or is this a treatment? Because I know castor oil makes your eyelashes grow and your eyebrows. Well, this is mascara. Duh. It's a mascara, honey. That looks like a good brush. I'm excited to use this. Okay, next up, ooh, we got a Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. And of course, it's still sealed with a sticker, honey. I love me blush and I love me some bronzer. If I could get this open. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. This is super cute packaging, blush pink. Ooh, those are so pretty. I like that. Look how pink that is. I'm gonna be so pretty. Oh my god. Daiquiri and Tulum is the colors. So we got a blush and bronzer duo. And then we got a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Glowing radiance and softening. Look at that, how cute. It's a little baby pink jar. That'll be fun to use. All right, this is what I didn't want. Well, let me see what colors it is. And it says scarlet, so. Is this gonna be like red colors? Do you know how many palettes I got with these red colors? I'm kind of getting sick of that. I need some variety. I mean, no offense, I'm not being like a brat, I'm just saying. Red colors. I think this looks like a palette I have. This looks just like a palette I have. Well, it does got a pretty pink and a pretty stuff in there, but I have so many like, I have so many palettes with those red shades. You know what I'm talking about. Not red, but maroons. And I love them, but I got too many. Okay, so I'm bummed that I didn't get a concealer, but that's like, I guess it was to be expected because I'm on the Boxycharm PR list, so I don't actually have a profile on Boxycharm that I can sign up and do my color to get the concealer, but I was really hoping to get a concealer. But I guess because I don't have a profile, they wouldn't know what color to use. Duh. Or what color I would use. Anyway, all right, so let's check out some of the prices on these items. So we've got the Too Faced Cosmetics Diamond Highlighter is $36. $36. The Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, $34. The Wonder Beauty is $36. Man, this box has a lot of expensive stuff in it. The Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask is $22. And the mascara is $25, which is the price of the box. So you're paying the $25 and you're pretty much just paying for this and getting all of these amazing things. I think this box was crazy good. January. I think January was a very good box. I wish I would have got the opposite palette though with the other colors. I like the other colors. I'd seen someone else have like other colors. I kind of wish I would have got that. It's okay. And then this, I wish I would have got the other color. I don't know how I feel about it. Meh. Oh well. I can't be picky. But these were some amazing things, like hands down, seriously. Good stuff in here. And I'm glad I got this box. I'm thankful, I'm grateful, and I love it. If you haven't signed up for Boxycharm yet, go ahead and sign up. Look at all this amazing stuff you get. So good, so good. And I'm pretty sure if you have an account on Boxycharm, you can maybe customize it. Correct me if I'm wrong. I've never signed up, I don't know. But yeah. So this was the Breaking the Ice. Every time I do like a Boxycharm video, I'm always like, no makeup, I'm ratchet, I look awful, or in this case, I just woke up, but I can't help it. I just get so excited to open it that I don't want to prepare myself like to open it. I just want to open it. And I don't care what I look like. And I don't care, I don't know, I just don't care. Oh, I forgot to tell you what box I got. What box did I get? Oh, number 2. I got number 2. What box did you get? What highlighter did you get? And what eyeshadow palette did you get? Because I'm gonna be so happy for you. All right, let's see what the weight of my box was. Where's it at? Oh my God, there's no weight on this box. This is so weird. Where's the weight at? There's no weight on this box, y'all. Unless I'm crazy and I'm not seeing it. But I don't see it. But at least you know I got number 2. So, let's see. This is a sleeping mask. So does that mean I can't put it on now? It has hyaluronic acid, watermelon extract, pore refiner AHAs that work to gently exfoliate and clarify while you sleep. Let's open it. Does it smell like watermelon? Oh. This smells good. Oh my god, I cannot wait to use this. Look how cute that is. Super cute. And then this mascara, let's learn some more about this. I've never used this mascara at all, but it says designed by the maker of the cult favorite Grande Lash Enhancing Serum. Grande Cosmetics introduces the hottest secret weapon for lashes. Yeah, so this is supposed to like, it's a no flake intense formula, works while you wear it because it has that castor oil in it, and that's supposed to make your stuff grow. You can also put it in your hair, by the way. Not the mascara, but the castor oil. We see that this was just a duo, okay, of the blush and bronzer, but it does have mango seed butter, which is really good, and sunflower seed oil. Oh, lotus flower and sea buckthorn extract to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Girl, blush me up. This sounds like some good stuff. All right. I mean, not much to say. It's a palette, and that's a highlighter. I'm still kind of worried about what this is gonna look like on me. Look. Can you see that? This glitters. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanna know what you got in your Boxycharm box. And did you get that pink highlighter? The pretty pink casing? I wanna know. And which eyeshadow palette did you get? If you got Boxycharm at all, leave it in the comments down below. As I said, once again, I got number 2. I don't know the weight of the box because it's not on the box, so I cannot help you there. But I hope you get your Boxycharm soon, and I hope you get everything that you wanted in it. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below, and subscribe to my channel, because I love my subscribers. I'll see you next time. Bye!